how to get 0.5 on Snapchat. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will guide you that how can you get the 0.5 option on your camera roll on the Snapchat. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open Snapchat on your device. So simply open the Snapchat. Alright, so now from the camera roll section of the Snapchat, you will got such interface. So if you are the iPhone user, you can easily get that option on the top of your screen. So you can easily get that option 0.5 on iPhones. So for the Android, you'll have to tap on this spotlight option just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now from the storage section, you'll have to go with the option search button. So it usually appear at the top left corner of the screen. So simply tap on the search icon. And now in the source field you'll have to type for wide. Okay, so from here you can choose the multiple effect, or you can get the effect like 0.5 or wide angle cam. So from there you can choose that effect and you can easily get that option on your Android too. So this is the process for performing that. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.